What's up, y'all? I'm Baggity Biggity Biggity Big Bat, and I'm here in the jacuzzi oozy ooh in the mountains. I mean, where else would I be? Eating breadcrumbs? How dare you?
Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention? Do I have your attention?
Burn it like a biscuit. I love it when I burn like a... Okay, so we're now in the car about to go get breakfast. Y'all, we actually ate at Cracker Barrel instead of Waffle House. But let me get on up out of here for they. Okay, guys, we just got back from breakfast. Now we're back at the cabin. Oh, let me swim back over here. We stopped at the store and we got this volleyball net that we're gonna use later. That should be hype. I gotta blow this up too. It's gonna be a lot of air. Our other floaty is over here, as y'all can see. Y'all see that? Right there. Let me go get it. I said, skirt. I'm here, bitch. I'm gonna blow this one up like I blew this one up. And then, what you do with this one, I think I showed y'all in the last vlog. If you didn't see that vlog, go check it out. Anywho, you put your drinks and stuff in here, and it's supposed to float. I don't know, y'all. Let's see. And we got a little glass. I got a little too hyped and fail. I got this champagne because this is for us, y'all. This is our first month on YouTube together, and I want to say it's been fun. It's been Lydiana, and I don't know, I guess I could talk to y'all about how it's been for me for my first month on YouTube. It's been pretty cool. I can say that it's like a first date. When you first start making your videos, you be like, you know, just trying to be all like, hey guys, hi guys. And the next couple videos, you just like, throw that, you know, like, you just get used to it. You get used to talking to the camera and being weird by yourself. Let me get my floaty. It flew away again. So yeah, this is to us. Cheers. I'm in the sauna now. Just got out the pool and we're about to go ahead and get dressed and go out and start our day. Oh, don't mind me. I'm just sitting here wondering why you haven't subscribed yet. You ready, Mom? be a long ride, child. Okay guys, we are about to go up the Alpine coaster. Oh my gosh, I'm so nervous. Y'all gotta hit subscribe and like right now because I'm doing this for y'all for the one time. Oh my gosh, I'm so scared, y'all. Okay. Oh my gosh, we're all in the mountains. We're about to take off. Thank you, Father God, for this food. We ask that you bless and sanctify for the nourishment of our bodies. Any hurt, harm, danger. Scoot it over here a little bit. Oh my, that's huge. It's like a big mozzarella stick.